accidentally dropped this and it snapped in half just by landing on the ground. Boo. Guess I'll just glue it back together with the wood glue. I gotta say, it was a terrible oversight for me to have not sanded the outside of these before I parted them from the lathe. I would still have to sand the inside, but I could have saved myself a little bit of hand sanding. You know, I can help with that. Gazoo, the last time you helped me, you just ruined things. I'm okay for now. Suit yourself, Dum Dum. Kind of like the fact that it's springy. You know, I kind of like how this turned out. I could have helped myself out, of course. The first thing I should have done was sanded the outside of the rings while they were still on the lathe before I parted them from the lathe. The second thing I should have done was make a little circle template, or a half circle template, so I could ensure that my cross section of my rings was completely circular so they went together better at the joints. I had to do a lot of filing and sanding to get to smooth out the joints here where they were glued together. Plus, I think gluing one piece on at a time and then finishing the joint before gluing on the next one could have helped a lot, because it was difficult to get down in here with the sandpaper and the file to smooth out the joints on the inside. I may end up putting polyurethane on this, maybe, I don't know. Depends on how the Danish oil looks once it's dry. It's gonna dry pretty flat. It's shiny right now because it's still wet. Anyway, this was certainly a challenging project, but fun. But I kind of like the results.